People always ask me how they can finally escape the daily grind. The truth is completely hiding right in front of you. All you actually need is a reliable internet connection and serious drive. You do not need thousands of dollars to begin today. Grab your phone and just start recording exactly what you already know.
Danny got 1 million views publishing full movies like this and made like 100 grand in commission.
Hi, Danny.
Hit 1 million views yesterday, all AI content, selling a ton through Shopify.
Honey, I don't want to just copy what Danny is doing. It's my pride.
I'll show you how to do it, bro.
2 people use the same AI, one makes money, the other gets ignored. Same tools.
I will achieve in 30 seconds what you have been trying to do for years. Okay, I'm done with this police chase. Okay, we need a vehicle upgrade immediately.
How are you doing this?
What the hell? Stop scrolling through social media and start creating your own valuable content. There is an amazing community waiting to hear your exact unique story, but nobody will find you if you stay completely silent. Hit that record button and immediately start sharing your journey online today. The algorithm absolutely loves raw authenticity over perfectly polished garbage. I built my entire business using exactly these super basic fundamental steps. Now it is your turn to finally make things happen. Take massive action today and completely change your entire life.
I got us an account at Thunder Prompts. This entire video sales letter was created using it. That is, the part after your bank robbery. Check this out. You select one of the many prompts, put in your domain, and with just a click of a button, we can create full movies like this one. And then people throw money at you. The scripts are outrageous. They'll make it go viral. See, people pay you to be creative. But in this case, it's your AI being creative for you. As a bonus, the Done For You agency portal is available right here in the members area. It's a quick start guide to how to get these types of payments. This works for newbies like you. It works for stay-at-home moms, retirees, and the AI makes it so simple you could be drunk at 4 a.m. at Denny's on a Tuesday and still make money with it. This is the AI gold rush, so we need to take advantage of this now. Prior to us having this technology, the capability to be able to do this would cost you 5 figures every time you make a video like this. And to have it all in one place and have the script writing, scene creation, and video production done for you, to be able to do this on an ongoing basis, hundreds of thousands of dollars. So get yourself a membership to Thunder Prompts for a one-time fee. But remember, the one-time fee is only for this launch week. After that, it will be a monthly fee, and we have nothing to lose. If we don't like it for any reason, we can get our money back. It comes with a money-back guarantee, so there's no risk whatsoever. And for anyone watching this, if you are sick of wasting time getting 0 views, 0 money, and your business is a stagnant mess, try Thunder Prompts. And you better act now and grab Thunder Prompts while the launch discount is active, because licenses are disappearing faster than your views after someone comments, AI slot.